spiritual thing.
Yeah.
But it will come to them. You see that old woman there that I say called himself from Mama Bia. I don't know what makes her, but there are people who are 90 years now who have been in Biafran struggle. But God told Elijah that there are thousands of prophets who have not yet bowed to Baal. So don't consider yourself as the only. Do you understand?
Mama,
just because
what depends if Biafra on the Kuma?
He said,
what depends if Biafra? Mama. So
thank you very much.
It depends on the Biafra.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So what I'm trying to say in conclusion is that in fact, I thank God. In the first place, I said, I've never seen a woman that men gossip against, and she's still standing. But they thought in this issue, is the one. You call her Robo Fulani. Considering this woman, that woman I used to see on Facebook, that woman that calls herself Mama Biafra, whatever, that is in France, one is your child. If you place it, Dr. Ngozi on a place and them, who among them look more like Fulani people? Looking at that woman's face, that old woman that calls herself Mama Biafra. Look, bring Ada Isiocha in France. Place them physically, not by camera. Let us know. In fact, let them dress in their Igbo attire. Let us know, assess them and know who is more like an Igbo person than the other.
Very good question.
Who is more? Okay, let me say this finally. I listened to the program where they took more than 30 minutes speaking Hausa and Fulani language in their platform. If Ngozi Onabeze allows such to happen in her platform, these people will close in that platform. They will talk about it in fact, even if Simon Eba comes, they will keep replaying it. But these people gave chance for using a language that is not our language. They did not use English, they did not use Igbo. But today, we are speaking, in fact, rapping Fulani and Hausa language as if they were born there. And the person who cannot even speak Hausa, they are calling her Rabo Fulani. Can you see?
And at the same time, at the same time,
thing that happened to us.
And at the same time, the woman that is speaking that Hausa language fluently happened to be a daughter of Ono. Is it of Ono in northern Nigeria?
I don't know the other name they call. Did that one used? In fact, that one rapped the language more than I don't know who more was speaking, and they kept quiet. Everybody gave the platform. If such happens while Dr. Ngozi Onabeze is doing program, you will see they will be cutting it. Rebel Jews will cut it. Biafran Unite will cut it. I think the Porebo will cut it. All of them will cut it. See, let me tell you, Ndi Igbo si ife abanaka ejigenyo. Eleya. Anya keja wakacharacha. If you watch any season Biafran who is pulling this, who can check that person must have a questionable character. But any man who is wise in his ways will always draw a conclusion. You bring things to see. You synthesize the event and so many things you are following and know. This man there that is in Cape Verde or wherever he is, that is the Minister for Information. The Minister for Information never attended declaration. Even the one is claiming he declared on 2nd. I want Amarawa to start talking about it. Because even Minister, I don't know the rights, the grounds Amarawa will stand on to defend their declaration on 7th December 2025 when he never attended anything. A Minister for Communication, and you are there talking. Shame on all of them. God will punish all of them.
Amaro is not talking about it because he don't know where to start to defend it. So he thinks he's not a human being. He's a human being. You understand that if I the okay, I will not fellow, but one of the if I be female, or if he knows that for a fact.
That is what I'm saying. I am challenging Amarawa as the Minister for Information to start talking about their own declaration. Let him give us the Minister for Information. What happened? How did you people declare? What and this and that and that? That is what I'm looking out for. And finally, Kai, I challenge the fallback republic that you used to call them to bring Akadi Adama in their cabinet. This thing they are praising shame.